What's up? My name is Jessica and I go by Jaw. My name is Jessica and I go by Jaw Speaks. I turned off one of my lights, so hold on a second. Let me turn it back on. That's what I get for doing for much. All right. What's up, everyone? My name is Jessica. I go by Jaw Speaks. Today we are talking about how to be brave. One of the things that you need to do in order to be brave is to understand your confidence measure, right? To identify exactly what makes you stand out from everyone else. You can absolutely be who you are, stand in your greatness, and be brave in any situation, in any place, in any space. And ultimately, guess what? Nobody's opinion matters because they ain't paying your bills. When you stand up and you stand up for yourself and you stand in that thing that you feel as though, you know what, this I have more than anything else, right? I have a beautiful curly hair, or, you know, even though this ain't mine. This ain't mine, right? To identify exactly what makes you stand out from everyone else. What are you confident about above anything else, right? Is it your hair? Is it that you have a beautiful skin? What is the one thing that you like, can't nobody mess with that with me? Like, I'm boss at that, right? Is it the way that you hold yourself and you position yourself and the way you walk into a room? Identify what that thing is and stand in it and stand on it. The thing about being brave is that we allow people and societal perceptions to sometimes pull us down and to make us feel like, well, if we don't have this or that, then we can't be brave, we can't be confident in ourselves. And that can't be farther from the truth, right? Whatever your thing is, you know, you need to allow yourself to stand on that and stand in that, right? And stand up for it.